Hello guys, so it's another good day to talk about remote work, remote job opportunities, and today it's going to be special because I would show you guys proof of how I've been able to make over $2,000 in the space of 2 to 3 months as a remote worker, and I think this is going to get better as the year goes by. So if you're interested in things like this and you also want to get results like this, then I would want you to pay close attention to every detail which I would give you in the video. So one thing about remote opportunities is not just having the skill or experience, but it's for you to be able to know or get the necessary information about open, hiring positions for different remote jobs, okay? So that's one major thing people fail to understand, and that's why you have to be present or avail yourself and be present in so many groups, okay, where informations like this are passed. So I would urge you to check the comment section or check the description and join all socials, okay. I have community on WhatsApp, I have a WhatsApp channel, I have a Telegram group, I have a TikTok, okay, I'm on Twitter. So all these social medias, try to follow them so that you can keep up with information, because some of these informations I could decide to post them in any of these social accounts, so that you don't miss out on this. So remote jobs opportunities are very difficult to get because there are a lot of competitions. The openings could be few. Probably the company is looking for just 100 persons, 200 persons. In fact, I got a job from one firm that just needed 3 persons from Nigeria and was offering over $19.28 per hour. That was crazy. So you see, some of these things are very competitive. So you need to be at the center of the information, okay, to be able to grab this opportunity immediately they come, so that you don't come in late and then your applications are being discarded or your applications are being rejected because the client has already gotten the specific amount of people they need. So this is very important. Now in this video, I would be taking you through the platforms that have been able to make me earn over $2,000 like you saw on the thumbnail. And then if you watch this video to the end, I'll also be showing you some additional platforms that you can keep an eye on, all right, for possible remote jobs listing this month of February, even as we end this. So make sure to watch this video to the end, like and share, guys, and let me know in the comment section whatever question you have, and I'll give you a response ASAP. So a lot of you are going to be wondering if it's actually possible to make over $2,000 in the space of 2 to 3 months or less. And to be honest with you, it's completely achievable with the internet. The internet is the best thing that's ever happened to you and I, and believe me, there are a lot of opportunities out there waiting for you just to try out. So I told you I've been able to make more than $2,000, and if you do a brief calculation of this, especially those living in Nigeria, you understand that this is actually a whole lot of money, okay, for someone that's not employed at the comfort of his home. So this is about close to 3 million naira in the space of 2 to 3 months. This average of $1 million per month. So guys, I know a lot of you guys would want to achieve same results like this. Now, before many doubters would think this is a lie, this is one platform called Turing, and you can see what I have here is 159. So let's just have this down here. Then I'll go to another platform, Micro One, which I use Dell for. You can see a previous withdrawal I made. I've not been active on this platform and it's been paying well, but I've not been carrying out jobs, so I've not been getting paid. They pay twice a month. Unfortunately, I've been busy with other jobs from other sites, so this account has quite been dormant. So you can see I made a withdrawal of $115 and I currently have a balance of $10. So if we add that to the equation, that's 115 plus 10. So we have this. Then I'll move to another platform, which is Aurora. Okay, you can see I currently have $20 right here, and I previously made a withdrawal of $71, as you can see here, which I received successfully into my XR, okay, XRM TRM wallet. Okay, let's go over to home. So you can see $71 right there, and also $20 currently pending on my account. So if we add that, that will be 71 plus 20, All right, so we have 1811. So if we move over to Mindrift, you can see I have over $146 here available for withdrawal, and if I add that 146, so you can see we have over $1,957, which is approximately $200. So guys, basically this is the reality of the remote job space. There are a lot of opportunities where you can grab them honestly from all these platforms. I've talked about Turing not just once, not just twice. In fact, currently they are hiring for business analyst role, okay, and I will drop the link in the comment section so that you can apply for this role, complete the interview, and get into. The next is Micro1, and Micro1 is massively hiring, okay. They're a very good AI company that I've worked with, and they are paying quite well, and there are a lot of roles opening. You can see 100 openings, 100 openings, 140 openings. There is even a role currently on home activities that has over 1,000 active openings. So I would advise you to rush that role. You'll find the link in the comment section or the description, so you can see over 1,000 openings right here. So moving over to the next is Aurora Studio. This is not the first time you guys have heard about this platform. I've talked about this platform a couple of times. I've taught you guys that this is a platform where you do these tasks, okay. It's flexible, okay. It's something part-time. You don't expect to get taxed all the time. Another opportunity is Mindrift. I showed you guys the application process through Mindrift in a previous video that was dedicated for this, so make sure to try to jump into Mindrift. Lots and lots of opportunity. I think I even have a tax right now on Mindrift. So guys, that's all about this video. I don't want this video to take longer than expected. So guys, take advantage of this. Lots of opportunities out there, and I wish you guys success. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video out to your friends, and we'll see you on another video.